Hello everyone. This is Adolescents 2 Orange Banner Class. Este año nuestro curso se llama Adolescentes 2, pero va a durar 2 años porque estamos en un banner, en una franja que es de color naranja. Pero no quiere decir que repitamos el año, vamos a ir avanzando dentro de esa franja. My name is Cecilia Quevedo, and I'm going to be your teacher this year. Welcome, nice to meet you. This is me. I am from Argentina. I live in Villa Rumipal and I like children. Now tell me about yourselves. What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? How old are you? Do you like English? This is my family. In my family there are a lot of children and pets. Regina and Lourdes are my nieces. Martiniano and Nico are my nephews. Lucecita and Eugenio are my dogs. I have got a cat, too. Her name is Michina. My family is beautiful. Tell me about your family. Have you got brothers and sisters? Who are the members of your family? Have you got a pet? Is it a dog or a cat? Now I'm going to talk about my abilities. I can swim in the swimming pool and in the lake. I can cultivate vegetables. I can cook. I can paint. And I can speak English. My hometown is Villa Rumipal. It is a small town. There is a big lake. There is a high hill. There are restaurants and hotels because it is a tourist town. And where do you live? I love my free time. In my free time, I read books with my friends. I meet my colleagues and have tea. I cook pasta. I go walking and I paint. And what do you do in your free time? In this presentation, we use I am, I have got, I can, I like, I go, I play, I cook, I dance. Bye.